Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome to our brand new channel, where we bring you exciting and effective workouts to help you achieve your dream physique without the need for any equipment. In today's video, we're going to unleash 3 powerful exercises that will transform your body quickly, all in the comfort of your own home. Get ready to break a sweat and unleash your full potential. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on more content like this. Exercise 1. Bodyweight squats. Bodyweight squats are a fundamental lower body exercise that targets your glutes, thighs, and core muscles. And efforts 1. Build lower body strength. Body weight squats engage your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, helping you develop powerful legs. 2. Improve balance and stability. Performing squats without equipment enhances your balance and strengthens stabilizing muscles, reducing the risk of injury. 3. Boost metabolism. This compound movement activates multiple muscle groups, leading to increased calorie burn and fat loss for enhanced daily activities. Strong legs from bodyweight squats make daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, and lifting objects easier. Repetitions and sets. Start with 3 sets of 15 repetitions, gradually increasing the repetitions as you get stronger. Exercise to push-ups are a classic body weight exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and benefits 1. Upper body strength. Push-ups engage your chest, shoulders, and triceps, sculpting a well-defined upper body to core activation. The plank-like position during push-ups strengthens your core muscles, improving posture and stability. At 3. No joint strain. Unlike some weighted exercises, push-ups put minimal strain on your joints, making them accessible to everyone. 4. Versatility. Modify push-ups to suit your fitness level, making this exercise suitable for both beginners and advanced athletes. Repetitions and sets. Aim for 3 sets of 12-15 repetitions, adjusting the intensity based on your fitness level. Exercise 3. Plank variations. Planks are a fantastic isometric exercise that targets your core, shoulders, and back muscles. And efforts 1. Core strength. Planks engage the entire core, including the deep stabilizing muscles, leading to a stronger and more defined midsection to improve posture. A strong core from planks helps maintain proper posture, reducing the risk of back pain and injuries. 3. Enhanced flexibility. Plank variations engage different muscle groups, promoting flexibility and preventing muscle tightness. 4. Mental focus. Holding a plank requires mental concentration, enhancing focus and discipline during your workouts. Repetitions and sets. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds for each plank variation, gradually increasing the duration as you progress. There you have it. 3 incredible no-equipment exercises that will transform your body quickly. Incorporate these exercises into your workout routine, and you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve from the comfort of your own home. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about our latest content, and don't forget to hit that like button. If you enjoyed this video, let's embark on this fitness journey together and become the best version of ourselves. Stay fit, stay strong, and until next time, keep smashing those goals.